Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. AAP Leader Satyendar Jain granted interim bail on medical grounds by the Supreme Court. Subramanian Swamy opposes Rahul Gandhi's plea, seeking NOC for issuance of fresh passport. Courts have taken proactive efforts to ensure laws are implemented, says Justice PS Narasimha. Plea against wrestlers Vinesh Phogat, Sakshi, Malik and Bajrang Punia, claiming allegations made by them against WFI chief false. Allahabad High Court hears UP Sunni Waqf Board and Gyanvapi Intezamia committee. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Supreme Court today granted interim bail to Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Cabinet Minister of Delhi Satyendar Jain on medical grounds. Jain is under trial in a money laundering case and in custody since May last year. Justice J.K. Maheshwari and Justice PS Narasimha granted him bail for 6 weeks to avail treatment at the hospital of his choice. The bench, however, imposed conditions on the bail, including that Jain shall not interact with the media or attempt to threaten or influence the witnesses in the case. Jain has been unwell for a very long time and collapsed in the bathroom of Tihar jail yesterday, where he has been kept in custody, after which he was taken to the hospital and admitted to the ICU. The plea for seeking a non-objection certificate for issuance of a fresh ordinary passport by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi before a Delhi court was opposed by BJP leader Subramanian Swamy, stating that if Gandhi is allowed to travel abroad, it may hamper the probe in the National Herald case in which Gandhi is accused. The matter was posted on May 26th before the Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Vaibhav Mehta at the Rouse Avenue Court in Delhi. Swamy filed a private complaint in the Delhi court in 2015 in the National Herald case, accusing Rahul Gandhi and his mother Sonia Gandhi of cheating and misappropriation of funds, and the two were granted bail in December 2015. Rahul Gandhi was recently convicted in a defamation case for 2 years, due to which he was disqualified as a member of parliament from Wayanad constituency, after which he had to surrender his diplomatic passport. In his plea for issuance of a fresh passport, Gandhi claims that while he was granted bail in the National Herald case in 2015, no travel restrictions were imposed upon him. Speaking at an awareness workshop on online child sexual exploitation and abuse, Supreme Court Judge Justice PS Narasimha said that in the last couple of years, the courts have taken proactive steps towards ensuring that laws are implemented instead of solely declaring and enforcing them through judgments. Justice Narasimha further said that while Parliament declares the law and prescribes the crime, as courts we adjudicate, determine what kind of punishment is to be given. He also highlighted on the shift in the way the courts approach justice delivery in the last couple of years, while calling courts the biggest stakeholders in the justice delivery system. A Delhi court sought the action taken report from Delhi police on a plea filed by a social activist, seeking registration of an FIR against wrestlers Vinesh Phogat, Bajrang Punia and Sakshi Malik, alleging that the allegations of sexual harassment made by the wrestlers against the Wrestling Federation of India chairman Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh lack credibility and are essentially false. The plea also alleges that the protests that took place in Delhi by the wrestlers also involved delivering hate speech against the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while also indicating a threat to life of the PM. The plea further notes that the protest was organized only to exert unnecessary pressure on police and courts. The petitioner also claims that the relevant authorities such as police, Women Helpline, Women's Commission, Indian Olympic Association were not approached by the protesters for relief. And the whole exercise of protesting had the objective to tarnish the character of the WFI chief. The Allahabad High Court heard the petition filed by the Uttar Pradesh Sunni Waqf Board and the Gyanvapi Mosque Intezamia committee that challenged the maintainability of the suit pending before the Varanasi court that sought the restoration of a temple at the site of the mosque. The petition also challenged the order passed by the Varanasi court from April 2021 that directed the Archaeological Survey of India to conduct a forensic survey to determine the age of the rocks etc. at the Gyanvapi Mosque complex. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.